Why are people earning six figures still living paycheck to paycheck? In 2026, more people are making money than ever before, and yet, most are still broke. So what's really going on? We've been sold a simple equation: work hard, earn more, become rich. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Income does not create wealth. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how wisely you deploy it. Today we're breaking down the silent trap destroying high earners, the 3 stages that secretly keep people broke, and the real formula for wealth. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some people making $40,000 build freedom, while others making $400,000 build stress. Let's expose the truth. There's a phenomenon called lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle increases with it. Raise, new car, promotion, bigger house, bonus, vacation, pay bump, upgrade everything. And here's the trap. Your income grows, but your freedom does not. Earn more, spend more, stay stuck. Most people don't raise their investments when income rises. They raise their expenses, and expenses are sticky. Once you upgrade your lifestyle, it becomes your new normal. That upgraded apartment, no, it's necessary. That car payment, I deserve it. That subscription stack, it's only $12. This is how six-figure earners end up broke. Not because they don't earn enough, but because they scale their lifestyle faster than their assets. Survival. Income equals expenses. You earn, you spend, you reset to zero. Most people start here. Upgrade trap. Income increases, but expenses increase just as fast. You feel richer, but your net worth barely moves. This is where 90% of high earners live. They look wealthy. They are not wealthy. Wealth builder, income increases, but lifestyle stays controlled. The difference gets invested, assets grow, cash flow grows, freedom grows. That's it. Not a secret stock, not crypto luck, not overnight success, just controlled lifestyle expansion. Here is the real formula. Wealth equals income minus lifestyle. That's it. If you make $200,000 and spend $190,000, you're poorer than someone making $60,000 and spending $40,000. Because wealth is what you keep, not what you show. In 2026, people flex income screenshots, but nobody flexes net worth statements because real wealth is quiet. Social media has distorted reality. You see vacations, designer bags, business class flights, day in my life content. What you don't see: car loans, credit card balances, 30-year mortgages, zero investments. In 2026, looking rich is easier than ever. Actually, being rich, still rare. The wealth gap isn't just income anymore, it's discipline. The real wealthy delay upgrades, increase investments, keep lifestyle below income, let assets compound. The flashy, increase image, increase payments, increase stress to different pots. Here's the mindset shift. When your income increases, don't ask, what can I upgrade? Ask, what asset can I buy? Raise, increase investments first. Bonus, fund assets first. Promotion, delay the lifestyle jump. If you control lifestyle for just 5 years, you create leverage most people never achieve. Wealth is built in the gap between what you earn and what you refuse to spend. Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because every dollar that comes in goes right back out. Income creates comfort. Assets create freedom. So here's your question. When your next raise comes, will you upgrade your life or upgrade your future? If this shifted your perspective, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps this message reach more people who need it. And I want to know, are you in the survival stage, the upgrade trap, or already building wealth? Comment below. Subscribe to Money Streams, because next week, we're talking about whether your 9-to-5 job is actually your secret weapon. See you in the next stream.